right. Yeah. So, last clip had an issue with it. So yeah. Okay, y'all. Don't mind why I cut. I just realized that it was on 10 seconds instead of like something more. Bro, get out of here! Bro, you're dropping crumbs everywhere. Yeah, what do you think would happen if I shake this? Yeah, maybe I shouldn't have done that. Oh my. Y'all, do you think I can make music using this? Y'all, I already took a ton of bites out of these. Yeah, when I opened it, it had a lot of crumbs. I had to discard the last set. At least didn't spill this time. Why am I eating plastic? I think we can push it like this. Yeah, we can push it like that. Golly, should I squish it? Oh God. Huh. Y'all do not get mad at me for eating it like this. Sorry if this isn't how you eat it. Never really ate these before. I think you're supposed to take the little bars out. This clip is a pretty long clip. I haven't had any mistakes with this one yet. This is, oh my, there's a hole in the wrapper. Guys, do you see that hole? Yeah, I'm gonna push it through. Hold on, let me try to eat through it. I just dropped a crumb. Also guys, do you like my porch? It has abstract art on it. Need a bit more abstract art. Oh. So yeah. Toy, is that a bug? Abstract, guys. They're gonna be mad. Yeah, they're gonna be mad.